By trade, I'm a certified welder and industrial millwright, but coming to prison, I realize that I have some faults and things I need to work on in myself, and so I'm trying to productively occupy my time and better myself through programming classes, schooling. Since my incarceration, I've taken the electrical trade, and after that, I've gotten my EPA HVAC certification. Anything that I can learn to better myself for my family, having work in the free world, just because I have a trade, another feather in my cap, it's something I'm capable of doing. I love doing it. It gives me something positive and productive to do every day. I wake up, I'm able to get out, move around, breathe fresh air, stay physically fit, and sharpen my skills. Keep the tools that I have in my toolbox sharp instead of just stagnating and not using them at all. If you do nothing, you get nothing, is the way that I look at it. If you're doing nothing for yourself, nothing gets nothing. It puts me out of my comfort zone, and being out of your comfort zone is when I think we as human beings grow the most. It's when we get the best experiences. TDC has so much available right now between programming and schooling and trades that I think everybody should be trying to take advantage of it while they can. I mean, it's just one more way to not ever have to come back to this place. I think 25 years ago, tattoos and prison records and a lot of other elements shut people down from getting a lot of jobs and being able to get into certain aspects of being in the community, but things are more socially accepted today. I think rehabilitation has come a long ways. So many employers are working with, TDC to be able to get jobs going out that there's absolutely no reason that anybody can't have a job walking out of this place, regardless of what they want to do for a living, whether it be welding, plumbing, HVAC, electrical, computers. At the end of the day, no matter what anyone can say about me for being in here, for the things that I've done, for the things that I'm going through, I could have walked any walk that I wanted to coming into this place. And I've walked the walk of doing the next right thing, and I'm extremely proud of myself. If no one else can say that, I can say that about myself.